Good morning, YouTube. Let's get into this crypto right now, y'all. So as y'all know, the market overnight uh, did go down a little bit. Hold on, let me go ahead and maximize this scenario here. You see, we got the overall market cap at 196 billion. Bitcoin dropped 5.69%. I think we were all expecting this correction to go on. With today being Good Friday, the S&P and the stock markets are closed. So it looks like we're going to be going through the weekend sitting on crypto and, trying to make some gains over the weekend, guys. So you see the S&P right here closed at 1.45% increase, about $39.84. The reason why I'm showing you guys the S&P is because the S&P and the crypto blockchain markets are very correlated currently at this time in this with the circumstances going on and things like that. So I like to pay attention to what the S&P is doing. The market's open at 6:30 in the morning, so it's always good to pay attention to all the different markets and see how they work together when you're in this space right here and you're investing in cryptocurrency. And then we also see a lot of red in the market too. Block stack down 14.16%. BSV Bitcoin SV down 12.18%. Matic down 12%. Chainlink took a nice hit, 11.46% down. Cosmos, guys. I'm gonna make a video about Cosmos because I think Cosmos is a big player and it's a good coin to not only trade in the short term in this market, but I also think that it's gonna definitely go into the top 10 eventually at some point. But yeah, guys, I'm making this video actually to talk about a lot of the things going on in this crypto market that you got to be aware of as a blockchain cryptocurrency investor and trader. And one particular thing I've noticed is the things that are going on Binance with Binance right now. And not just right now, but always. So I don't know if you guys realize that there's this new coin that just got listed on Binance, Solana, which is killing it right now. I remember I checked my phone last night, probably about 9:30, and I saw that this coin was up on Binance at like 250%, something like that, something crazy. And at the time, it was only 70 cents, and I'm just like, wow, this is something that I'm not jumping into. And look at it now, guys. This morning it's at $1.18. So a lot of people are definitely FOMOing into this coin. Let's go ahead and read about it. It says Solana is a former Qualcomm, Intel, and Dropbox engineers, and formed by in late 2017. Solana is a single-chain delegated proof-of-stake protocol whose focus is on delivering scalability without sacrificing decentralization or security. Core Solana scaling solution is decentralized clock title proof of history built to solve the problem of time and distributed networks where there is not a single trusted source of income. By using verifiable delay functions, proof of history allows each node to locally generate timestamps with SHA-256 computations. This eliminates the need for broadcast of timestamps across the network, improving overall network efficiency. So it sounds like this could be a legit project. Let's go and check out the website. But at the same time, who really knows? I guess we'll just have to see with time. Let's see if this coin can get a pullback sometime soon. It's already up pretty high. I mean, it's up ridiculous amounts. $1.18. It was just 70 cents last night. Excuse me. At 9:30, and it's already up dang near like 50%. Which is just crazy. I didn't FOMO into it because of the scenario with a lot of these recent Binance listings. They will go up as soon as they will get listed, and then they will just get dumped by the bulls. very soon after, so I was not looking to FOMO into that in that situation. But yeah, guys, be careful. That's all I'm gonna say. Is be careful with these Binance listings, these IEOs, all these coins that Binance, has, on their decentralized exchange that they end up putting on their, their regular exchange. These coins that are winning, like the token votings and stuff like that, guys. Just really be skeptical about those coins. You don't want to really. I know Binance is, a very popular um, exchange, and a lot of people use it because it's just so easy. But be careful investing in some of these, these projects, because a lot of these projects are, I believe, in some kind of cahoots or corporation or connection with Binance, and they're working with these guys, and they're coordinating these pumps for these coins, so be careful. But some coins that I would actually recommend. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about my top three coins that I would like to recommend. One being BAN Protocol. It's a low market cap coin here. You see the market cap is currently at 6,795,965. Current circulating supply of 19 million. Total supply of 100,000 or 100 million. I think this coin has a lot of potential, guys. It has a lot of upside. Earlier in March, I believe it was March, it hit a high of a yearly high of 75 cents, which was just crazy. It doesn't say on the chart, but it says here that the 90-day high is 75 cents. I think that this project is a legit project, guys. It just recently got listed on Kyber Network. You see, it has no connection with Binance decentralized exchange, guys. I'm telling you, watch out for the decentralized exchange coins from Binance, guys. I'm telling you that those coins are shifty. They're working with Binance in some way, perhaps. This is not financial advice, but I would just be careful with those coins. But yeah, I like BAN Protocol. They got a lot of validators with their network. They've been getting a lot of strategic partnerships lately, and it's another Oracle solution, guys, like Chainlink. I know there's some differences between BAN Protocol and Chainlink. And Chainlink is definitely running the market right now with Oracle solutions, but I think BAN Protocol is the second best when it comes to oracles right now, guys. It has a lot of partnerships. I see a lot of these coins are building partnerships with BAN Protocol. Look at BAN says they're trying to bring blockchain closer to mass adoption. I think that's awesome. Yeah, so I would definitely look into BAN Protocol, guys. It's definitely something that I think, it's a coin that I think could not just a coin, but a project that I think is going to be very useful in the future. Just talking about blockchain, and also as far as investing, I mean, it's already dirt cheap at 6 million, 6.9, 6.8 million, something like that. 6.8 million right now. I think that's really cheap, and it can go really up. But yeah, guys, no telling where this market is going to go. It's Friday, Good Friday, again, with the current circumstances going on, I hope everybody's having a great weekend, a great day. And just be careful in these markets right now, guys. Do your research on all these projects. And again, just be careful, man. Binance, it's really popular, and a lot of people are making a lot of money, but a lot of people are getting wrecked, as you can say. R-E-K-T. Another project I'm going to talk about soon, I'm going to make a video about this, is Hedera Hashgraph. Hopefully I get to it before it explodes, but I think that this coin right here is definitely has a lot of potential right here. Not only is it listed on some very reputable exchanges. We got Upbit up there up top. Binance actually listed this coin, and again, along with BAN, one thing I like to I like to note about these coins that get listed on Binance, that I think are legit projects, are the ones that are listed without listing fees. That's definitely a good sign if a coin is getting listed without a listing fee. And also if it's not connected to Binance's decentralized exchange, guys. I'm telling you, the Binance decentralized exchange, these coins that are in cooperation with this, you got to be careful, man, because those coins, they're likely to not have as much upside. And not only those projects, not only to not likely have much upside, but they're also likely to be orchestrated with coordinated pump and dumps on Binance. So you see this is on Binance, a bit, OKX, Bittrex, HitBTC, Liquid. Yeah, I'm just gonna do just a little quick run up on Hedera Hashgraph. I like this because they have a lot of good partnerships. It says Hedera describes itself as a decentralized public network that aims to allow anyone to transact, play, and socialize in secure, trusted environment. So you see it's on very, very reputable exchanges. And then also another thing you want to pay attention to is the volume. You see the volume of this project. It's getting a lot of volume from Upbit, Binance, OKX, even Bittrex has a lot of volume. Basically, all the markets that this is listed on, it has thousands, hundreds of thousands, if not just tens of thousands of liquidity or volume going through these markets. So that's very good, guys. You definitely want to be looking into projects like that. And then if you go to their website, I mean, this project pumped a lot. This project pumped a whole lot. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what this project did back in January. This project did crazy numbers back in January. So if you go here, you see back in January 20th, and I totally missed the boat on the boat on this. I know what I know now, so going forward, I'm definitely gonna be more wise about my investments. But as you can see, the market cap was 20 million starting in the opening of the year, and then all the way in February, this thing just shot up to 200 million. That's a 10x, guys. This thing 10x'd in this year, guys. Back in that early run we had in the early year. So I think that's just ridiculous, man. I think this coin has a lot of potential, and a lot of people were sleeping on it. A lot of people are sleeping on it. I have two pages open, but they call themselves the trust layer of the internet is here, and this is a consensus mechanism here. It's a very fast ledger. Excuse me. They have high transactions per second, 10,000. It's a public ledger. It's a consensus as a service. The highest consensus as a service one right now we have is I think it's IOTA. But I think this is the upcoming one, and it seems like it's getting a lot of traction and it's growing. It's growing a lot. Currently, it's pretty hot, guys. I think hbar is pretty popping right now, but it's really no telling where it's gonna go. But it seems like a legit project. Let me see. I'm trying to find their investors. I know they have like some cooperations with Google. I don't know exactly where it's at though. Find it. I'll find it. I know they're working. I know like Google's working with them, and oh, I think it's on the main page actually. Yeah. Here we go. It's owned and operated by the world's leading organization. So we got Boeing, we got Dutch Telecom. It looks like T-Mobile, Google, IBM. You know, this right here, man. I think if we get into a bull market, then this coin is definitely gonna do some numbers. I don't know if it's gonna 10x. It might be as high. It might be pretty high right now. But if you're just looking for something to trade, you know, or something that's, you know, legit, I think Hedera Hashgraph is definitely a good one. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the content, if you want to see more content, like, rate, subscribe. Let me know if there's any other coins you want to hear me talk about. And thanks for watching, guys. Be blessed.